Let us now look at the 6 fundamental rights listed under Article 19. The first one under 19(1)(a) is the freedom of speech and expression. If we interpret what is written in the Constitution literally, then this right or freedom seems to have a very limited scope. But the actual extent or the scope of this freedom can be seen in the various interpretations across many landmark cases. So, looking at various case laws, we can see that the freedom of speech and expression includes access to internet, right to information, transparency in governance, freedom of press, commercial speech such as advertisements, the right to express one's sexual orientation, right to privacy, right to criticize, online speech, and even the right to silence. Now, reasonable restrictions on this right can be for the sake of maintaining the sovereignty and integrity of India, or for the security of the state, for maintaining friendly relations with foreign states, or for public order, decency or morality, or in cases which can lead to contempt of court or has already led to contempt of court, or defamation, or incitement to an offense.